How to fix Steam game missing files error. To fix a Steam's missing file or missing file privileges error, you must verify your game installation files. So first of all, verify the integrity of the game files itself. So go ahead and launch the Steam application on your PC, then open the Steam library. From there, right-click the game showing the error and select the properties. From there, choose the Installed Files tab in the left menu. Then click the Verify Integrity of the Game Files button. Then wait for the scan to finish and download the repaired files. Now, all you have to do is completely close the Steam application. Then open the Task Manager. From there, you simply have to now launch the Steam application as an administrator. Then try resuming your download or launching the game itself. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.